Today, we're going to start with a short video from our segment sponsor, A+ Garage Door.
Great, now I'm going to be late for work.
Thanks, Aiden.
Ugh, not today. That was fire, Aiden. Thanks, Aiden.
Nice work, Aiden.
Righteous!
How'd you do it, Aiden?
I learned it from A+.
Through July, A+ Garage Doors will donate $100 from every new door purchase to Make-A-Wish Nevada.
And now we're with A+ Garage Doors, Make-A-Wish Nevada, and Wish Kid Orion. Last night, their collaboration was able to grant Orion's wish. He now has a new PC game system set up in his home so he can pursue his passion of being a gamer and influencer.
Oh, well, we're joined by CEO of A+ Garage Door, Carrie Kelsch, and President of Make-A-Wish Nevada, Scott Rosenzweig, and Wish Kid Orion right here as well.
Good morning.
Good morning, guys.
Morning.
Morning, y'all.
How are you all doing?
Good.
You looking sharp?
Yeah.
Great outfits.
I like those shoes.
Those
Thank
shoes
you.
are
Thank you.
top.
Make-A-Wish Blue.
Make-A-Wish Blue.
Right.
And A+ Blue.
And A+ Blue too. Well, Carrie, you started A+ Garage Doors over 20 years ago in Utah, and are new here in the Vegas market. So what first brought you to Las Vegas?
So we did an amazing job in Utah just growing the business, and I saw that there was an opportunity to just take care of our customers and serve them in Vegas and be able to grow the company, and that creates more job opportunities for our people and just taking care of good people. I mean, finding good service is kind of hard.
Can be.
Right. Can be hard. And so we wanted to show up as somebody you can trust and that can take care of you.
Perfect.
Yeah. And why did you decide to partner with Make-A-Wish Nevada?
Oh, it is so fun. We started it in Utah and did a Make-A-Wish kit, and we were like, this is so fun. And the employees love it, the families love it, and I love it. It personally means a lot to me to be able to, grant a wish for kids.
Obviously, the partnerships are important. And Scott, Make-A-Wish partners with A+ Garage Doors and a number of other local businesses right here to make a difference for these kids' lives. How does that help impact what you guys can do?
They say it takes a village to raise a child, but we at Make-A-Wish Nevada know it takes a community to grant a wish. And A+ Garage Doors has certainly been part of that community now, and it's been an incredible thing to watch. We're currently working with 265 families across Nevada, each child fighting a critical illness. So having a business like Carrie's stand right beside and let them know that they're fighting right beside them is truly incredible for all of us to watch.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
Now, Orion, your wish was granted last night. How cool. Can you share a bit more about that and how it made you feel?
Yeah, it made me feel awesome. Like, I can't believe my eyes since I got the PC streaming setup. Like, I never had something like that before, and I truly appreciate it.
Did you start streaming straight away? Did you play a game while you were streaming?
I didn't stream, but I played a game.
What did you play?
Roblox.
Of course.
Nice. That's a lot of fun.
That's great. Awesome. Carrie,
Yes.
Obviously, if there are people out there watching right now who want to help make these kind of things happen alongside you, how do they do that? How can they reach out? How can they help support?
So for the month of July and August, A+ Garage Doors is donating $100 towards Make-A-Wish Foundation for every door sold, up to 200 doors. So that's a one way. Or find your local contractor, your local companies, and get them to reach out to Scott. That's such a fun way. Employees love it. It helps so many families.
Yeah. Now, Carrie, what specials are happening right now for Vegas Valley homeowners?
Yeah, right now we have $250 off a garage door, and then $100 that goes towards Make-A-Wish. And we bought Orion a gift right here, and for any doors that are sold during the month of August, we will actually deliver your own very own Lego set with the door.
Oh, how cool!
We just got a gift. We just got another gift live on air.
Yeah.
Do we want to open it now?
Well, it's
Which one of these?
It's
Okay, let's
a
go.
Lego set. Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Very
That's
cool.
awesome. How do you feel now?
I feel surprised.
That feels so great, I bet.
It's very
and this
cool.
is just a testament to the work you all do as well, Scott. And I mean, it's got to feel a bit rewarding to see that smile on these kids.
100%. You know, we let doctors write the prescription for medication, but thanks to Carrie and A+ Garage Doors and our community partners, we get to write the prescription for hope every day, showing these kids that there's going to be a life after this life-threatening illness for them, and we're going to be right beside them. And I can't wait until one of our other Wish kids decides that they want to meet this new influencer online, A. Ryan. So.
remember the name when you see him online, guys.
Exactly. We'll keep you posted.
Carrie, thank you so much to all three of you, and don't miss out on the special offer to all Vegas Valley residents. You can get a free estimate and you'll get $250 off a new garage purchase before the end of July.
Plus, if you decide to buy a new garage door, $100 of your purchase will go directly to Make-A-Wish Nevada to help grant life-changing wishes.
For more information, you can head to aplusgaragedoor.com, and to learn more ways to get involved with Make-A-Wish Nevada, visit wish.org/NV.